This video will provide an overview of how to operate SHELLAB's Premier 3552 CO2 incubator, including step-by-step instructions of its decontamination cycle. The all-new SHELLAB 3552 CO2 incubator offers the latest in high-heat decontamination with a sustained decontamination temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for 120 minutes, and convenient design improvements, such as eliminating any handling of the fragile infrared CO2 sensor. Please follow the proper cleaning procedure detailed in your SHELLAB 3552 CO2 incubator manual prior to beginning the decontamination cycle. Once your 3552 has been properly cleaned and installed in your laboratory, the decontamination cycle is activated with a few simple steps. First, be sure all of your samples and supplies have been removed from the incubator chamber. Next, remove any excess water from the humidity tray located at the bottom of the chamber. The entire shelving assembly can remain inside the unit, and we have engineered the SHELLAB 3552 so that the IR sensor does not have to be removed, as it is located outside of the incubator chamber and shielded from the 180-degree temperatures within the chamber. To begin the decontamination cycle, press and hold the operation selection switch until the amber decon cycle light begins flashing. You will hear the safety door lock activate to ensure the chamber cannot be opened during the decontamination cycle. Now press and hold the decontamination cycle switch, and both the decon activated and decon cycle lights will alternate while the chamber temperature increases to 180 degrees Celsius. Once at 180 degrees, the light will stay solid, and the CO2 display will automatically change from reading DEC to showing a countdown from 120 minutes. In the event that you want to abort the decontamination cycle, simply press and hold both the operation selector switch and decontamination cycle switch for approximately 4 seconds. Once the CO2 display shows AB instead of DEC, you will know the cycle has been successfully aborted. If the temperature of the chamber has risen above the set point, you will see the display reading CDN. This means that the chamber needs to cool down before the safety door lock can deactivate. To return to the normal operation mode, press the lower operation selector button and hold it down until the amber decontamination activated light stops flashing and the green normal operation light stays on solid. The SHELLAB 3552 represents the latest in design and engineering from Sheldon Manufacturing Incorporated. For more information on all of our products and services, customer support, or to find your SHELLAB representative, please visit shelllab.com.
Hello, my name is Jeremy McDonald, and I'm the Manager of Engineering at Sheldon Manufacturing, and I'm here to discuss the redesign of our Bactron line of anaerobic chambers. Before I talk about the specifics of our redesign, I want to point out a couple of features that set us apart from some of the other manufacturers of anaerobic chambers. That is, our Bactron family is produced in our ISO 9001-2008 certified facility, and we currently maintain all of our safety certifications to the EN 61010 standard, which means we have a US, Canadian, and a CE European safety approval. So now I'd like to talk a little bit about the relaunch of the Bactron line of anaerobic chambers. Our improvements have been focused in 3 major areas: reliability, durability, and user convenience. To improve on reliability, we decided to focus on some of the most critical parts. So we've upgraded the pressure sensor to a more robust and user-adjustable version. And we've also done some serviceability and performance upgrades to our condensate controller, which allows clear viewing and contamination reduction. Due to the unprecedented durability of the Bactron line of anaerobic chambers, we were hard-pressed to find something to work on as far as durability goes. So what we decided to do was increase the weight-bearing capacity of the pass box slide, and we also decided to discontinue adding a powder coat finish to our stainless steel workspace. This allows the end user to abuse the surface and still maintain a very aesthetically pleasing surface and something that's easy to clean. We've integrated the teardrop arm port design, which allows the user unparalleled comfort while working inside the chamber. The overall size is now increased, which makes being able to reach inside the chamber a lot easier. They can reach farther spots to be able to work and clean better. So the other feature of the new teardrop design is the smooth armrest. And the smooth armrest is great for people who work in the chamber all day, every day. We expect a reduction in arm and shoulder fatigue from the smooth surface. We've also upgraded the catalyst handle to a new ergonomic grip, which aids in the removal of the catalyst every day. So the other feature we decided to include was an adjustable LED light. There are 3 integrated LED light bars that are independently adjustable to be able to customize the amount of light for any application inside the chamber. Lastly, we reorganized the control panel into more functional groups. This allows the end user to more easily recognize the information that we're providing them. And we've also performed some upgrades to the PID controller, which allows for faster processing of the temperature algorithm. I'm really excited about the upgrades from a user perspective, as these should keep the Bactron line of anaerobic chambers at the forefront of chambers for quite some time.